Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a giant glitch list to talk about with over 50 glitching coupons and items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos for you all this week. We have new clearance markdowns, and we have an amazing penny list to look forward to. And on top of that, I uploaded some run glitch deals for you all yesterday. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so jumping right in, these first couple of deals are not necessarily glitches, but they are really awesome deals. So we do have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Vicks Vapo products. This coupon is working on the 18 count cough drops. They're priced at $2.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay 50 cents. But this coupon is also working and glitching on the Vicks Vapo Cool 20 count cough drops, priced at $1, found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now keep in mind, if you're at an old register store, you will get the overage. If you're at a new register store, the coupons will just make the item completely free. Next up, we received this digital coupon for $3.99 off when you purchase one of the Gain Power Blast and one of the refills. This coupon is glitchy and working on 2 of the Power Blast, so pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.51 for 2. Now we have the same thing happening with the Dawn Power Wash. $3.99 off when you buy the Power Wash and the refills. Pick up 2 of the refills. They're priced at $4.50 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.01 for 2. All right, the next couple of glitches aren't really great glitches, but they are in fact glitches, so I want you guys to know about them. So we do have this 4-off-1 for the Tide products. This coupon is glitchy and working on the big bottles of the Gain Fireworks, priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. Now, we also have this 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Gain products. This coupon is glitchy and working on the Tide liquid laundry detergent, priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. All right, next up, we have $3.98 off when you purchase 1 Tide Pods and 1 Bounce dryer sheets. This coupon is glitching. You can pick up 2 of the Tide Pods or 2 of the Bounce dryer sheets. They are priced at $9.95 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $15.92 for 2. Next up, we got a $150-off-1 digital coupon for the Palmer's product. This coupon is working on the travel sized Palmer's hand cream, 2.1 ounce. They're priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Up next, we have a 7-off-2 for the Airwick scented oil refills 5 count. This coupon is glitchy and working on the fresh linen scent 2 count, priced at $6.25. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in over. Now, be aware, we do have 2 150-off-1 lower value coupons for the Airwick products. This coupon will attach to the 2 count oil refills if you're not careful. The good news is that both of these coupons are still glitching and working on the Airwick warmers, priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents each. Next up, we have a $150-off-1 digital coupon for the Degree deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.6 ounce Degree Ultra Clear deodorants, priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Vicks NyQuil. This coupon is glitching and working on the 4 ounce bottles, priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the ZzzQuil products. This coupon is working on the 8 count liquid caps and also the 4 ounce liquids. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Next up, we have a 2-off-6 for the Axe Degree and Dove products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants, priced at $3 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Now, this coupon also works on the 1.7 ounce Degree deodorants, priced at $2.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95 for 3. Up next, we have 50 cents off for the Pepto products. This coupon is working on the 12 count Pepto-Bismol, priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Up next, our 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Charmin products is back, and it is glitching on the Charmin Essentials 1 count, priced at $1. After the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents. Same thing with the Bounty. We did receive a new 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on those, and it is glitching and working on the Bounty Essentials 1 count, priced at $1. After the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents. Next up, we still have the 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the American Greeting Cards. This coupon is glitching and working on the 50 cent cards. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we've got a 3-off-2 for the Colgate products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Colgate Max Bite toothbrushes, priced at $3. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Now this coupon is also glitching and working on the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.70 for 2. Next up, we have our 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Caesars multi-packs. This coupon is glitching and working on the 6-pack priced at $8. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 3. Up next, we've got a 50-cent cashback offer for the Papermate products. This is glitching and working on the Bic Whiteout priced at $1. So your final price is going to be 50 cents. Next up, we still have this digital coupon for $1 off when you purchase the Breyers ice cream and the Hershey's syrup. This coupon is glitching when you pick up 2 of the Hershey's syrup. You can choose from the chocolate or the strawberry. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Up next, we have another cashback offer that is glitching. It's 50 cents back on the 3.5 ounce or 5 ounce sweet tarts. This is glitching and working on the 3 ounce sweet tart roast priced at $1. So that's going to make your final price just 50 cents. Up next, we got a one-off one for the Johnson & Johnson's product. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel-sized baby powder priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Now this coupon is also glitching and working on the travel-sized shampoo priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Next up, we have a one-off 2 for the Lysol products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. Pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. And this coupon also works on the Lysol multi-surface cleaners, also $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Next up, we still have this 4 off 1 for the Always Discreet products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 26 count liners priced at $3.25. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. Now again, if you're at a new register store, that's just going to make it completely free. Up next, we still have our Kool-Aid glitch. So it's 75 cents off 1 for the Kool-Aid products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1 count drink mix priced at 34 cents. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 41 cents in overage. Next up, we got a 1 off 1 for the 9 Lives dry cat food. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12 ounce bags priced at $1.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents. Up next, we have a 50 cent off 2 digital coupon for the General Mills fruit snacks. This coupon is glitching and working on the Fruit by the Foot, the Gushers, and the fruit roll-ups. All of those are priced at $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Now that same coupon is also glitching and working with the Mott's fruit snacks priced at $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. However, we also have a 50 cent cashback offer. So if it stacks, that's going to make your final price $1 for 2. All right, guys, up next, we have a 3 off 2 for the Herbal Essences. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel-sized dry shampoos priced at $1.75 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents for 2. All right, guys, up next, we've got our 3 off 2 for our Crest and Oral-B products. Now, this coupon is glitching and working on a lot of different products, so keep in mind you can mix and match. So this coupon is glitching and working with the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. It is also working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. It is also working on the Oral-B Daily Clean toothbrushes for $1 found in the dollar aisle. It is also working on the Crest Healthy and Clean for $1 found in the regular toothbrush section, or the Oral-B Bright and Clean found in the regular toothbrush section, also priced at $1. So pick up 2 of those, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage, unless you are at a new register store, and it will just make the items completely free. All right, up next, we got a 75 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Old Spice products. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel-sized Old Spice deodorants priced at $1.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 35 cents. And we also received a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Old Spice products. So pick up 3 of those travel-sized deodorants, and that coupon is going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. All right, guys, so there you have it. Over 50 glitches in under 9 minutes. I think that's some kind of a record. So why don't you guys do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button for me, all right? Now, I also want to let you guys know, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because we have a lot to talk about with all these DG store coupons, P&G spin deals, Gain 5 off 30. There is just a whole lot to talk about. I do have deals and scenarios ready to go. I just have to put the video together. I did go to the store, tested out a few things. So again, we have a lot to talk about, and I do want to give you all a quick heads up. If you have not clipped your 5 off $25 coupon to your account just yet, hold off. Do not clip your 5 off 25 to your account just yet, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. So before you go, make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.